Welcome to Azure tutorial. My name is Arvind Kumar. So today we will discuss about virtual network Azure, that is called as VNet. Okay. So friends, this is about myself. Today's agenda is what is Azure Virtual Network. Azure Virtual Network, that is also called as VNet. Okay. Azure Virtual Network is a resource which we can create in Azure. Azure Virtual Network is a fundamental building block of your private network in Azure. Also, Azure Virtual Network enables Azure resources such as virtual machine to securely communicate within the boundary of virtual network. Means resources created within the VNet not able to access outside the logical boundary of virtual network directly. Okay, so hope you understood this line. Azure Virtual Network can be created free of cost in Azure. So let's come to the next slide. So next is explanation of VNet with the help of diagram. Okay, so I have created this diagram for you. Okay, so we have virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2 and virtual machine 3. I have created these three virtual machine resources within the virtual network. Okay, so this is a virtual network. Inside that there are three virtual machines and they can only communicate with each other. Okay, so from the outside no one can communicate these virtual machines from the outside the network. Okay, so because this is created, these virtual machine are created within the boundary of virtual network. Okay, so for an example, this is just for an example I have created. For an example, if you have any laptop or a server on a on premises. Okay, so if you want to communicate these virtual machines VMs to our local laptop in on-prem or any server which is exist on the on-prem. So how do we communicate each other? We can communicate by VPN. Okay, so this is just for an information. So friends, hope you understood this. Thank you very much.
So friends, it's a request. Please support us. Please like our video and just subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let me show you how to search my channel in YouTube. Okay, so just go to YouTube and in search bar just type JYEONS Geons Tech. Okay, just click on search. You will find this channel. Okay, and this is my channel name, Geons Tech. I request you to just click on subscribe and press the bell icon as well.